First up is the world's #1 self-powered leak tester, the AutoLine Pro Ventus. This is not just a standard smoke machine. It features a built-in lithium-ion battery and air compressor, making it completely portable without needing external power cords or air lines. It uses an OEM-approved odorless fluid that lasts for up to 500 tests, ensuring you can work comfortably in any shop environment. The kit includes cone cap plugs and a precise flow meter, allowing you to instantly detect and quantify EVAP, vacuum, and exhaust leaks. It is the ultimate diagnostic companion for finding those tricky leaks that trigger check engine lights, all wrapped in a compact, durable unit that is ready to go right out of the box. Dealing with rusty, gunky bolts can completely derail your project, but the Thread Wizard is here to save you countless hours of frustration. Hailed as the world's fastest bolt cleaner, this ingenious little gadget fits right over your standard socket wrench for maximum convenience. Simply push your dirty bolt through the heavy-duty wire brushes, give it a quick spin, and watch the grime disappear instantly. It reaches deep into the threads to remove thread locker, rust, and dirt without damaging the delicate metal underneath. Keep this perfectly sized tool in your top drawer, and you will never struggle with binding hardware during reassembly ever again. There is nothing more annoying than a failing hood or trunk strut that threatens to slam down on your head while you work. The ToolPRO Universal Lift Support Struts offer a brilliant heavy-duty solution to keep those heavy panels safely locked in the upright position. Designed with exceptional versatility in mind, these adjustable supports clamp securely onto your existing failing struts to prevent sudden collapses. The vibrant color makes them highly visible under the hood, ensuring you never forget to remove them before trying to close the lid. It is an incredibly simple, highly effective safety upgrade that every single home garage or professional shop needs to have on hand. Oil changes should be quick and painless, but a seized filter can quickly turn a simple maintenance task into a total nightmare. The USAG 446E self-gripping oil filter wrench tackles this universal problem with an innovative design that bites down harder as you turn. As you apply pressure to your ratchet, the sturdy jaws automatically clamp tightly onto the filter's casing, completely eliminating frustrating slips. Its low-profile build allows you to sneak into the tightest, most cramped engine bays where traditional band wrenches simply cannot fit. Say goodbye to punctured filters and bruised knuckles, because this self-gripping powerhouse makes fluid services incredibly smooth and remarkably efficient. Next, we have the AUTOOL CT400, a powerhouse for diagnosing and cleaning fuel injectors. This 6-cylinder unit is engineered to handle GDI, EFI, and TSI injectors with ease, offering independently adjustable voltages of 12 volts, 70 volts, and 120 volts to suit modern systems. It combines ultrasonic cleaning technology with microcontroller-based testing to simulate various engine conditions, from idle to high-speed acceleration. The smart control panel allows you to visually monitor injection volume and spray patterns, ensuring every cylinder is firing perfectly. With its ability to clean multiple injectors simultaneously and a built-in cooling fan, this tool is a massive upgrade for any serious tune-up work. For those working on heavy-duty braking systems, the Lisle 39780 brake spring fork is a simple yet indispensable problem solver. This tool is specifically designed to easily remove and replace the stubborn S-cam return springs found on air brake systems, a task that can often be dangerous and frustrating. The tip features a specially contoured design that cradles the spring securely, preventing it from sliding off or flying loose during the removal process. Made from heat-treated steel with an extra long shaft, it provides the leverage and stability needed to muscle through rusted or tension-heavy components. The ergonomic handle ensures you can apply maximum force without hand fatigue, turning a struggle into a 10-second job. Stuck diesel injectors are no match for the Laser Tools 8727 inline air hammer extractor. Unlike traditional slide hammers or pry bars, this tool mounts directly in line with the injector and uses the vibration and force of your air hammer to pull the component out. By impacting a pull rather than a push, it transmits shockwaves directly through the adapter to break the rust seal without damaging the cylinder head. It is compatible with a wide range of 5/8" and M18 injector adapters, making it versatile for Delphi, Bosch, and Siemens systems. This compact unit fits into tight engine bays where long slide hammers cannot reach, saving you hours of labor on seized parts. Reaching into the engine bay of a lifted truck or SUV has never been more comfortable than with the VEVOR Automotive Top Creeper. This height-adjustable station ranges from 48 to 76 inches, allowing you to hover over the engine compartment without straining your back or climbing on the tires. It features a thick padded deck and 4 heavy-duty swivel casters, 2 of which lock to keep you completely stable while you torque bolts or route wiring. The foldable design means it tucks away neatly when not in use, but when deployed, it supports up to 400 pounds with ease. It effectively eliminates the fatigue of leaning over fenders for hours, changing the way you tackle topside engine repairs. Proper wheel installation starts with a clean surface, and the BILITOOLS wheel hub cleaning set makes that process effortless. This kit attaches to your 1/2-inch impact wrench and uses a 6-inch cup-shaped grinding disc to scour away rust and corrosion from wheel hubs and brake rotors. The Velcro-fastened abrasive pads are durable enough to strip decades of buildup, but gentle enough to leave a perfectly flat mating surface, which is critical for preventing wheel wobble. It effectively cleans the area around the studs without damaging the threads, ensuring your wheels sit flush and torque down correctly every time. It is a massive time saver compared to using a wire brush by hand. Upgrade your vehicle's electrical system with the COS 8-way lead-acid battery terminal connector. Machined from 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, these terminals offer superior conductivity and corrosion resistance compared to standard lead or stamped steel posts. The 8-way design provides 4 distinct connection spots for various wire gauges, ranging from 8-gauge all the way up to massive 40-gauge cables, making it perfect for custom audio or overland setups. The kit includes Allen wrenches for easy installation and features a secure clamping mechanism that ensures a vibration-proof connection. It creates a clean, professional look under the hood while allowing you to easily add accessories without crowding the battery post. The Express 1000 SC represents the absolute evolution of riveting technology for modern body shops. This all-in-one modular system is a true multi-tool capable of pressing out rivets, reshaping sheet metal, punching holes, and setting blind rivets with OEM-level precision. Its smart control function allows for faster positioning and precise force application, ensuring you do not damage delicate aluminum or high-strength steel panels during repairs. The quick coupling system lets you swap between specialized adapters in seconds without screws or tools, maximizing your efficiency. Whether you are performing structural repairs or simple panel bonding, this tool delivers factory-grade results with speed and control that traditional rivet guns cannot match. If you need a boost but do not have space for a ladder, the power-built convertible double-platform tire step is the perfect solution. This clever tool wraps around any tire up to 13 inches wide and provides a stable, non-slip cheese grater surface for you to stand on. It is fully adjustable to fit wheel diameters from small cars to semi-trucks, giving you the extra height needed to reach roof racks, wash tall vehicles, or access the center of a hood. When the work is done, it folds completely flat for easy storage behind a seat or in a trunk. With a 300-pound capacity and rubber bumpers to protect your wheels, it is the sturdiest way to step up your game. Torches are dangerous and messy, which is why the Lisle FIS 280 coolant-cooled induction heater is such a game-changer. This heavy-duty 3700-watt unit uses magnetic induction to heat ferrous metals instantly, turning red hot in seconds to release seized nuts, bolts, and bearings. The integrated liquid cooling system allows for a high duty cycle, meaning you can run it continuously for complex jobs like chassis straightening or removing track rod ends without the machine overheating. It includes a 2.8-liter coolant tank and a long 2.3-meter induction cable, giving you the reach and power to tackle heavy industrial repairs. It is safe, flameless heat exactly where you need it. For the most delicate interior surfaces, the Albino detailing brush is the professional's choice. These brushes feature ultra-soft, white synthetic bristles that are chemically resistant and designed specifically to clean scratch-sensitive areas like piano black trim, infotainment screens, and instrument clusters. The ergonomic plastic handle provides a solid grip without the risk of swelling or cracking like wood handles, and the lack of metal ferrules guarantees you will not accidentally scratch a surface. Available in sizes ranging from 16mm to 40mm, they are perfect for dusting vents, agitating leather cleaners, or detailing emblems. They deliver a swirl-free finish that keeps high-end luxury interiors looking showroom new. The Mecha 24 tilting bridge is a mobile car lift that revolutionizes how you work in a home garage with limited ceiling height. This clever device slides under the car and can lift and tilt the vehicle forward or backward, giving you clear access to the front or rear undercarriage. It has a horizontal lifting capacity of 1.5 tons and a tilt capacity of 1.0 ton, operated easily with a mechanical crank or a high-torque drill. When you are finished, the entire unit can be stored vertically against a wall, taking up almost no floor space. It is the ideal solution for brake jobs, exhaust work, and bumper repairs where a full two-post lift just is not feasible. Painting a car requires perfection, and the Laser PowerTech 92633 Soft Edge Masking Tape Dispenser ensures you get invisible blend lines every time. This tool automatically folds the edge of your masking tape as you pull it through, creating a soft edge that lifts slightly off the surface. This allows the paint spray to disperse gradually under the tape edge, preventing the harsh, hard line that usually requires hours of wet sanding to remove. It mounts easily to a workbench or wall and works with standard 25mm masking tape rolls. For any body shop tech or DIY painter, this simple dispenser saves massive amounts of time and material while delivering a seamless, professional finish. Diagnosing ignition issues is instantaneous with the Ansel SP21 Spark Plug Tester. This unit features dual testing holes, allowing you to test a new spark plug alongside an old one simultaneously to visually compare their performance. You can adjust the operating frequency from 0 to 6,000 ERPM with a simple dial, simulating real-world engine speeds to see if the plug fails under high load. A clear protective cover keeps you safe from high voltage while offering a perfect view of the spark color and consistency. It eliminates the guesswork of, is it the plug or the coil, by proving the plug's viability in seconds, making it an essential diagnostic tool for any engine tune-up. Removing bonded auto glass is typically a nightmare of wires and knives, but the Inductor Glass Blaster makes it effortless. This tool uses induction heat to release the urethane adhesive from the outside of the vehicle, allowing you to remove windshields, quarter glass, and spray-in bed liners in under 15 minutes. It heats the metal underneath the adhesive without damaging the glass or the encapsulated plastic trim, preserving the parts for reuse. Because it is flameless and non-contact, you avoid the risk of scratching the paint or cutting the interior headliner. It turns a physically demanding, risky job into a clean, precise operation that saves hundreds of dollars in salvaged glass. Belt drive longevity depends on alignment, and the NSK laser alignment tool ensures you are dead accurate. Unlike straight edges, this tool mounts significantly stronger laser transmitters directly into the V-grooves of your pulleys using powerful magnets. It projects a visible laser line that instantly reveals parallel offset, angular error, and twist misalignment with accuracy better than 0.5 millimeters. It works on pulley groove widths from 6 millimeters to 40 millimeters and allows you to adjust the machine while the belt is still in place. By ensuring perfect alignment, you dramatically reduce vibration, noise, and wear on both the belts and the bearings, extending the lifespan of your machinery. Forget pumping a hydraulic handle forever with the VEVOR 3-ton triple-bag air jack. This pneumatic jack connects to your air compressor and lifts a 6,600-pound vehicle to its full height of 17.7 inches in just 3 to 5 seconds. The internal telescopic stabilizer provides lateral and vertical stability, ensuring the jack does not wobble even when lifting heavy SUVs or trucks. Its low-profile design sits at just 5.5 inches collapsed, making it easy to slide under lowered sports cars. With a long handle and heavy-duty wheels, it maneuvers easily around the shop, providing the fastest, most labor-saving way to get a car in the air for tire changes. If you use your truck for hauling soil, gravel, or firewood, the Sealy TBU-01 Cargo Unloader will save your back. This heavy-duty system features a drag sheet mat that lays across your truck bed before you load it. When you reach your destination, you simply turn the crank handle on the tailgate and the roller system pulls the mat, and up to 900 kilograms of cargo right out the back. It fits any tailgate up to 9.5 centimeters thick and requires no drilling or permanent modification to your truck. It turns an hour of back-breaking shoveling into a 1-minute job, making it the ultimate accessory for landscapers and weekend warriors alike. Suspension work demands safety, and the BILITOOLS 3-piece coil spring compressor is built to handle the tension. This kit is designed for McPherson struts and features 3 heavy-duty compressors with cast jaws that wrap securely around the coil. Critical safety hooks prevent the spring from slipping or bowing out dangerously under load, a common issue with cheaper 2-piece sets. With a maximum capacity of 2,645 pounds, it can handle the stiffest springs found on large sedans and trucks. The heat-treated lead screws are incredibly durable, ensuring smooth operation with an impact wrench or ratchet, making strut replacement safe and predictable. Finding a nasty scratch on your vehicle's window is heartbreaking, but the Scratch-Away Saw 360 polishing system offers professional-level restoration right in your garage. This highly specialized tool uses a unique polishing head combined with specifically formulated compounds to gently erase surface imperfections from automotive glass. It generates the perfect amount of heat and friction to smooth out the damaged area without creating dreaded optical distortion in your line of sight. The ergonomic design makes it surprisingly easy to maneuver across the glass, giving you total control over the entire restoration process. Instead of paying for a wildly expensive replacement window, this system lets you polish away the damage and restore crystal clear visibility yourself. When a bolt is buried deep behind an engine block with absolutely no room to swing a ratchet, the USAG 236K chain extension is your ultimate savior. This brilliant problem solver uses a heavy-duty internal chain drive to transfer your turning force from a comfortable distance away from the fastener. You simply attach your socket to one end, attach your ratchet to the other, and easily break loose bolts in impossibly tight spaces. The ultra-slim aluminum housing easily slides past belts, hoses, and brackets that would normally block traditional extensions or bulky power tools. It transforms the most agonizing, knuckle-busting jobs into a breeze, making it an absolute must-have addition to your advanced tool arsenal. Finally, we have a unique maintenance tool, the WDT250 Water Drainage Cleaning Tool. Blocked sunroof drains can ruin a car's interior with water damage, and this tool is the OEM-approved solution to clear them safely. It features a 2.5-meter-long, flexible, flocked shaft that snakes through the complex curves of drain tubes without puncturing them. Powered by a standard cordless drill, the flocked tip gently scrubs away algae, silt, and leaves that cause clogs. It is far superior to using compressed air, which can blow drain tubes off their connectors. It is a simple preventative tool that saves thousands in potential upholstery and electrical repairs. That wraps up our list of 20 game-changing car tools. You can find links to every item in the description below. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more garage gear updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.